couple of videos now I've mentioned where we had a little extra pressure on due to a water leak that happened in our hall. And the hall is the reception area for the haunt. The kitchen's where we make the concessions. So I'll give you a little tour here and show you what is going on with that. So here's a mechanical room where the leak happened. There was a pipe T somewhere in here that burst, shot water up into the ceiling, basically soaked everything in the room from was hitting the ceiling then spreading out. We've had to replace all of our network, our phones. Actually there's our old phone block right there which needs to be replaced yet. Luckily the water heater and heaters were okay, they just needed a quick maintenance, but they're doing better now. We've had to tear up the floor because the water came onto the stoop, ran out underneath, and destroyed the tile floor. So we've torn that up, which meant taking out a refrigerator, 2 more refrigerators, a sink, a boiler table, the oven, the flat top range. All of that had to be removed. Not to mention the tile. We found that there had been some water leakage from the sink or from the refrigerators from condensation. So we had to take out a further chunk of the floor. And that's just the kitchen. So moving on. Alright, so now we got the lights on. You can see our hall rental area where the dining area usually is, where our vendors will be, has no carpet. That was already a planned project. But we're just planning to do the carpet, not the kitchen, all these appliances, all of this, and the carpet. So that's the other project we're working on. You can see the old carpet. It was beyond its prime, to put it nicely. A lot of spills, a lot of stains, and the color scheme was kind of eh. So we've also been retrofitting the ceiling lights to LED. Still looks like a fluorescent fixture, but it's all LED lighting. Saves tons on power. I think these pull 35 watts each, or it used to be 180 watts something. So multiply that by, let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 6 rows times 180, well, 150 difference. Yeah, a lot of power savings. The building has solar too, so that should pay off. Also in the project we had to redo the carpet on the stage. That was already a part of the plan as well. This carpet had padding, so I had to come up. We still have to get these staple strips up. They're a little bit fun to pull because they use brads, I think, instead of nails to put them down, so they're fun to get up. Have to reinstall the audio for the room, which we recently fixed up some speakers so we have much better sounding audio in the hall. There's the wires hanging out right there. We also put in Wi-Fi. That is a Unify AC AP light. Actually, I'm sorry, AP AC light, which is a AC 1200 megabit per second Wi-Fi access point, centrally located in the building, so it feeds the whole place. Our meeting room, the restrooms, the kitchen, the rental area, the stage, all have really good Wi-Fi now. It also has guest Wi-Fi setup, so our guests get decent Wi-Fi, but for anybody with a password, they get very good Wi-Fi. What else? We've installed a security camera system. Right now it's just the one camera watching the hall area where the rentals are. Also the vendors, so if they leave their stuff from night to night during the haunt, it's more secure that way. There's the camera. It is a 4 megapixel IP camera, meaning better than 1080. It's actually about the same resolution as this camera, and as you can see, that's pretty decent. So there you have it. That is a quick review of what I'm doing for the haunt indirectly on all the days I'm not making videos of actually doing haunt directly related things. So we're staying busy. Project is coming along. Sunday we're having our final clean out before the carpet and flooring company gets here. Plumber coming next week as soon as they're done. And a hall rental next Saturday. Not this Saturday, the one after. So no pressure, but we'll get it done. We've got a lot of good guys here. They work hard. And it's amazing what you can get done. Many hands do make light work.